Hi, this is Liz with My Custom Websites and My Website Finder, both .coms. As you can see here, this is my Custom Websites website, and I provide a variety of services, including web consultation, education, marketing, just a wide variety of services. So check out my website, and actually from my website you can go to My Website Finder, which is where we are going to start. This video tutorial is how to set up your CPanel. And so we set up your CPanel and then we can go on and create a website. So assuming that you have gone to this site and purchased a web domain and you have an account, you sign in here. So I'm already signed in, and we're going to go to this little dashboard right here. This is your dashboard, and it has all your information. And you're going to click on My Products, and you see all this information right here. We're going to actually go to, where is it, web hosting, and we're going to click on Manage All. And you see web hosting with CPanel. It's a brand new account. We're going to click on Setup. What domain do you want to use? I purchased a domain called mywebsitefinder.net, and it pre-populated. So we're going to update. And I'm not going to get this yet. This is going to be in another tutorial. So we're going to do no thanks. We recommend choosing one close to your customers. Let's see. I guess I will do Europe for now. But depending on where you live, you pick your location. We recommend using WordPress as your application to build your site. I'm going to show you how to do that from CPanel, so not now, thanks. And it's building your account. It's like AOL dial-up. Okay, so now onboarding completed successfully. You're ready to build your website. So go to the dashboard. And this is your dashboard, and it automatically kind of fills in, you know, your account information and all that. So what you're going to want to do is go to CPanel admin. And this is CPanel. And don't worry, I know it looks extremely overwhelming, but we're not going to tackle all of this today. We're going to have different tutorials for different things that I use, and I'll be able to explain it to you and why some of these things are here and what their purpose is. So it's a really neat tool though, because once you understand how to use it, you can do so many things with your website. Now, what you want to concentrate right now is on this called web applications. And you see, you have a bunch of different options. So if you click on there, you'll see the different options that you have. They're like little apps. So you have options for community building, content management systems, e-commerce systems, photos and files, surveys. Like, I mean, there's such a dynamic and vast amount of things here. You can practically build anything. Look at this, Moodle, in case you want to build an intranet for your school or something, like for a small school. But what we're going to concentrate on right now is, where is it? WordPress. So my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a basic WordPress. So, but for right now, you can click on WordPress and see this. You're going to install this application, and it's going to show you domain. Now, what I suggest is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wwws out, and I'm going to select this one that's just HTTP, mywebsitefinder.net. So here are all the recommended things. Administrator username and password. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And you can put your own password in there, and certainly your email and all that stuff. And we're just going to leave it like this. Website title. Let's see, my website finder, and it says just another website. You can put whatever you want in there. You click install. I'm going to save the password. And it's just creating your WordPress site. And the neat thing about CPanel is, depending on the package you have, you can buy a bunch of domain names and manage them all in your CPanel, which makes it great. So you have this. I created your website. Oh wait, did I do that right? Yeah. Exit to WordPress dashboard. See, you can choose your template here. So I'm going to go with, you can always change it. I'm going to go with this. Start with this template. Finish setup. It's installing your template. So there you go. This, of course, you're going to build from this, but it's pretty neat. So you click on customize, and you have different options, and we'll get into that a little more later. But this is the thing you want to, this is the dashboard, is where the back end, where you do all that back end stuff. So in my next tutorial, we'll talk a little bit about the basics of WordPress.